We all know that in Adobe Premiere Pro we can cut all the forward and backward frames of a clip placed on the timeline as desired, simultaneously 10 or 15 frames before and after the entire clip with camera shake, in Adobe Premiere Pro. We can cut very easily with the trim option, but no such facility is provided in Final Cut Pro, due to which many times one clip has to be manually edited one by one, and it takes a lot of time. Here I am going to show you a technique that can easily trim every clip in the entire timeline as needed. First, select all the clips in the timeline. Then select Add Cross Dissolve from the Edit menu, or use the shortcut key Command+T. You will notice that cross dissolve between each clip, and the timeline will also be shortened, because each clip overlaps according to the time of cross dissolve. I have set the time here to 1 second so that 25 frames from both clips overlap. Because of this I can subtract 25 frames from each clip. Now search for Cross Dissolve in the clip search from the index box. Delete all cross dissolves found below by selecting Command+A. Now all the clips will have 25 frames trims in front and back.
PixArt Multimedia Warehouse. 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 PixArt Multimedia Warehouse.